Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your Wells Fargo credit card. Before canceling your Wells Fargo's credit card, the first thing you'll need to do is to clear out any outstanding balance on your credit card. Once you make sure of that, go ahead and open up a web browser and type in wellsfargo.com in the web address bar. This will now take you to the official website for Wells Fargo. Click the Help button at the top right corner of the screen, and under Quick Help, make sure to click on Customer Service and FAQs. Now you'll end up in the Customer Service tab, from where scroll down and click on Credit Card. On the right hand side corner, you will be able to see a list of phone numbers and contact information. Go ahead and select a phone number and make a phone call to it depending upon your location and region. While speaking to a customer service representative, tell them that you would like to cancel your Wells Fargo credit card and be prepared to answer any security questions to verify your identity. Once you are done with it, they will guide you through the steps and you will be able to proceed with your credit card cancellation. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.